Welcome back to another edition of Three Ball Math Guys. We've got ourselves a great show here today. We are doing Jeopardy, backed by popular demand, and we have two worthy opponents to challenge our incumbent champion, I guess. Professor Jordan's our incumbent champion. He's 1-0-0.
Bring it on.
And we've got Professor Willie, and we've got Professor Riley. Riley from down south in Texas. And we have Professor Willie from right next door.
The token-haired guy.
And here we are. We're back again. We're playing Jeopardy. This is our second time doing this, and we're trying to find some people who are going to unseat our reigning champion, Professor Jordan. Good luck. We have Professor Riley. We have Professor Willie. And Professor Riley, you are from Texas. And so we're going to go down through the board. You're going to be the first one to select here. We're going to just go through these categories real fast. So the first category we have is movie numbers. Of course, it's a movie that has a number in its name. What's this mean? You're going to figure this one out real fast. And it's person, place, things, what this mean. Mathletics, math and sports, pretty straightforward. You can't count. You can't count. We talked about this one before. We have various occupations where those occupations are counting up certain numbers. We have math movies, so movies that are about math. And then we have, by popular demand, again, also numbers and songs. Riley, you are first up.
Let's go movies and numbers for 100, please.
Movies and numbers. Movies and numbers for 100. And here we go. Jackie Robinson. Oh, we've got over here Professor Jordan.
What is 42?
What is 42?
Woohoo.
Correct answer. Excellent. Good job. All right, Professor Jordan, your board.
Let's keep it there for 200.
200. Okay, well, you just put your hand up. We got Riley there. We got our thing. Okay, Danny's body of water. Danny's body of water. Any thoughts there? Okay, nobody's got that one. Okay, that's what is Ocean's 11, 12, or 13, or even Ocean's
Ocean.
8.
Yeah.
Danny Ocean. All right.
Ocean. Okay.
Professor Jordan, back to you.
Movie numbers, 300.
Movie numbers for 3. Here we go. Starred Brad Pitt. They're deadly. Professor Jordan, what do you got?
What is 7?
That is correct.
Yes.
What is 7? Excellent. Good
What's
work.
in the box?
Oh, yeah. All right, movie numbers.
strong.
Here we go. I'm sorry. Professor Jordan, you're back.
You can't count 300.
You can't count for 3. A podiatrist. Professor Jordan, what do you got?
What is 10?
Toes? Yeah. No, we're not going to give you that one. Sorry.
No.
Anybody else? All right. Oh, Professor Riley. Oh, what do you got?
What is 5?
Oh, sorry. We're not going to give you that one. Nope. And this is going to go back to the screening committee, I'm sure. And that is, what is 2? Because podiatrist, feet. 2 feet.
I was going 10 toes.
There we go.
Yeah.
I will file an official complaint.
Okay, I
2 left
appreciate
feet.
that.
2 left
All right,
feet.
Professor Jordan, back to you.
Mathletics, 400.
Athletics for 4. Here we go. 8 seconds is required amount of time for a score. Professor Riley.
What is bull riding or rough stock?
You're correct. We're going to take that one because that is rodeo.
Yeah, the Texan knows that one.
Oh, yeah. That one's
Texas.
Texas.
Oh, yeah.
Professor Riley, your board.
Let's go. What's this mean for 200?
What's this mean for 200? Oh, this is a really good one. I like this one. I don't know if you can see that symbol, but it's really small. Professor Riley, what is that?
What is sample mean?
Sorry, that's incorrect. Anybody else? We have an X with the bar over it, then we have another little symbol. What that is, what is Mean Girls?
Mean.
I wanted to say that, but I was afraid to.
Oh, you
Oh,
gotta get right in there.
afraid of looking bad.
What
huh?
is Mean Girls? Okay, so now you have an idea what that category is all about.
Okay.
All right, I think it goes back to Professor Riley, I think. Yeah, if not, it's him. What do we
Let's
got?
try it again for 100.
For 100, what's this mean? Singer Johnny and our friend Lynn. Math equals. Made this way too difficult for you people. Come on. All right. All right. That is, what is Mathis? Math equals the equal sign sometimes means is. So Johnny Mathis, our friend Lynn Mathis. Okay.
Mathis.
Yeah. All right.
You're
Professor Riley.
overestimating our intelligence.
Yes, intelligence, just like our bald heads, 0.
0.
And IQ also. All right, Professor Riley, you're up.
Let's go. Let's keep it there. 300.
300. Here we go. Professor Jordan, what do you got?
What is something?
That is correct. What is something? Good work.
All right.
So now you got that one. Okay, good job. Okay,
Let's
Professor Jordan.
let's make people sing. Numbers and songs, 100.
Well, numbers and songs, 100. Just be the man who walked to fall down at your door. Professor Jordan.
What is 500 miles? I would walk
500 miles and I would walk 500 more just to be the man who walked. Yeah, that's what it is. Excellent. That's great. Professor Jordan, you're bored.
Numbers and songs, 200.
Number of songs for 2. Here we go. Professor Rob's high school graduation year from Bon Home. Professor Riley, what do you got?
1985.
In form of a
Is that
question.
Bowling for Soup? What is 1985?
And
Is that
sing it.
Bowling
Yes,
for
it is
Soup?
Bowling for Soup. Yes, that is correct.
Good Lord. Have to
Can
Can we
listen
sing
to
this?
that
Can we
one.
sing this one? Can we sing this one? No.
Crazy
Since
about
Bruce
it.
Springsteen, Madonna, way before Nirvana, there was YouTube
YouTube
in
and
Blondie.
Blondie. And
Because
music
she's
still on
still
MTV or
with
Big
1985.
1985.
Yeah, that's really good
Yeah,
stuff there.
that's really bad. Professor Riley, you got that.
Good numbers and songs for 300.
Number of songs for 3. Oh, here we go. Tennessee Ernie Ford had us getting another day older and deeper in debt.
Ooh,
Are
I
you
don't know this
kidding
one.
me?
Oh, God.
Oh, come on, people.
Producer Mike knows this one.
Oh, okay. Well,
I can sing the song, not the
here it
number.
is. 16
tons,
tons.
and
What do you
what do you
get?
get?
Another day older and deeper in debt. All right.
Yeah.
Oh, that one.
Okay, Professor Riley, here we go.
Keep it there for 400 again.
400. Here we go. Matchbox 20 sang this song after the bars closed. Professor Jordan.
What is 3 a.m.?
That is correct. What is 3 a.m.? Woo!
When was the last time? You're going to see 3 a.m. pretty soon.
She
Ooh,
says,
boy.
baby, baby, it's 3 a.m. It must be lonely.
Must be low.
Must be lonely. Yep. Okay, enough of that. All right, Professor Jordan.
Math movies, 100.
Math
We need
movies for 1.
Rest of the vocal.
Brad Pitt as Billy Bean. Oh, Willie.
That would be, we are looking.
Come on. We watched this 100
know.
times.
I know. And
Boy.
Moneyball. What is
Hey,
Moneyball?
there we go. We were not going to press the
He's
button
on
on
the
you. We
board.
got to
Son
get
of
you
a
on the
gun.
board.
He's on
What
the
is
board.
Moneyball? You're on the board. Woo!
All right, here we go.
There you go,
You had to
Willie.
give
You're
me
bored.
one.
Which one?
Let's go math movies 200.
Math movies for 2. Here we go. Russell Crowe as a math professor. Professor Jordan.
What is a beautiful mind?
That would be correct. What is a beautiful mind? Very good. All right.
300.
300. Here we go. Same thing. Set in space or in the space or exploration age, followed the lives of 3 female African-American mathematicians at NASA. Professor Jordan?
What is hidden figures?
That would be correct, sir. What is Hidden Figures? Now, you people over there, you guessed professors. You're not doing very well. We got to knock this guy off his high horse.
What is mathletics? 100.
Mathletics for 1. ERA. Professor Willie.
And run average.
And what sport?
Baseball.
Baseball.
What is
baseball? Excellent. Woo!
All right.
All right, Willie, back at you.
200.
200.
Athletics.
YAC, yards after catch. Professor Riley.
What is football?
That would be correct. What is football? Good work. Professor Riley, you're up.
Mathletics 300.
Mathletics for 3. Attack percentage. Ooh, I think it was Professor Riley.
You can give it to him. He needs the help.
What is volleyball?
That is correct, sir. Woohoo! What is volleyball? Good work. Professor Riley.
You can't count for 100.
You can't count for 100. A wrestling official. Professor Riley.
What is 2 or 3 points for a takedown?
There you go. Yep, that is correct.
I think
What
they
is
changed
3?
it to 3 now.
Yep, it is 3.
There we go. What is 3?
I thought
All right.
that's where you're going.
Professor
with that.
Riley. Yeah, of course we'll go there.
Yeah.
You can't count for 200.
You can't count for 2. A car tire technician. Professor Jordan.
What is 4?
That would be correct, sir.
Okay.
What is 4 or 5? If you're talking about the lug nuts.
Oh, okay.
Before 4 tires.
Oh, 4
Well,
tires.
6. They're going to make 6, 2.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll not take that one here. Hey, Professor Jordan, what do you got?
Let's go math movies 400.
Math movies for 4. Starring Robin Williams and Matt Damon, a janitor with a genius IQ.
Oh no.
Oh, that is.
Oh my God!
What is Goodwill Hunting?
No.
Yes. Yes. Professor
Oh,
Jordan, back to
no.
you.
Movie numbers 400.
Movie numbers for 4 Hondo. Quarter century ago, it's out there. Professor Jordan.
What is 2001? A Space Odyssey.
Wow, you are correct. Oh, man, where'd that guy come from?
Space.
All right, Professor Jordan, back at you.
What's this mean? 400.
What's this mean? Here we go for 4 Hondo. V versus V exclamation point. Professor Jordan.
What is 5 factorial? 120?
No. Sorry. Anybody else? Professor Eiley.
I'm going with the Roman numerals 5 versus 5. This little, what is Old Man Basketball League?
Oh, sorry. That's a good, very good,
that was a
very
good
good
guess.
response. No, but
Going out of the box.
Yeah, that's really out of the box. Big box there. Willie, you want to try this? Okay, well,
No.
what is
Volume.
what is volume? So volume with the exclamation so louder. Okay,
Okay.
that was a stretch. All right, whoever. Professor Jordan, what do you got?
You can't count.
You can't count. 400. A hamburger bun packager. Professor Jordan.
What is 8?
That is correct. What is 8? 8 buns.
8 buns.
Professor Jordan.
Movie numbers 500.
Movie numbers for 500. Here we go. Martin Short, Steve Martin, and Chevy Chase. Professor Riley.
What is American Pie?
Oh, sorry. Professor Jordan.
What is the 3 Amigos?
That'd be correct, sir. What is the 3 Amigos?
Willie knew that one too.
Yeah.
All right. Here
What's
we
this
go.
mean? 500.
What's this mean, 5 Hondo? This, period, that. Maybe a tough one.
This is a tough category.
Yeah, tough category. That's why I brought the best of the best to try
Yeah.
to answer these.
Yep.
Well, sorry. The decimal point often means and. So this and that. Oh. All right. So we've got, All right, Professor Jordan, what do we got?
Mathletics.
Athletics for 5. Ground balls per game. Professor Willie.
What is baseball?
Sorry, it is not. That's not what. Professor Riley.
What is softball?
Sorry, that is incorrect. You want to try it?
Not really. I don't want to be embarrassed.
Okay. Ground balls per game. That is lacrosse.
Lacrosse.
Lacrosse. That's 500 points.
Wow.
Yeah, you people.
interesting.
Learn your games. All right, here we go.
You can't count. 500.
You can count for 500. An orthopedic surgeon. My buddy Shane is an orthopedic surgeon. Willie, come on, right up your wheelhouse.
I know. Well, I've had lots of orthopedic surgeons, but
Professor Riley. Oops, Professor Riley.
What is 202?
Well, we're going to
I don't
give
think
you
that's right.
we're going to give you half of that. It's 206.
206.
206, yeah. All right. We're going straight to, we're not going to do the last one. Oh, the last one for numbers and songs is pretty good.
I want that one.
Yeah, we're not going there. Sorry. All right. So what we're doing is we're going to our, Final Jeopardy. Final Jeopardy. Here it is. So reset. Okay. We're going here. Okay, so here's our Final Jeopardy. And Final Jeopardy. Here it is. All right, start. Okay, so this is called Math Rushmore. Math Rushmore. Do 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 do. Of the 4 presidents on Mount Rushmore, who was considered to be the most mathematical? All right, I can't remember what the scores were, but they weren't very good. I know Professor Jordan somehow was winning this game. So, Professor Riley, who is it?
All right.
Who do you got?
Can you see that?
Nope. What did you say?
Okay, I said Rene Descartes. And I said all my points I'm betting.
Sorry, that is incorrect. Rene Descartes, yes. One
Maybe
of the
on
4
the
faces
French
on Mount
Mount
Rushmore.
Rushmore.
Yes. Willie, what do you got?
Says Jefferson.
Who's Jefferson? That would be correct, sir. That would be correct. That would be correct. And you bet everything.
Everything I had, which was negative. So we're good.
Professor Jordan, who you got?
I went 500 points with Teddy.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Yep, it was Jefferson. He actually founded both West Point and also University of Virginia, by the way. But in actuality, he's not on there. The most mathematical president was James Garfield. So take that.
I will take that. I didn't know that information.
So 2, 0, and 0 is Professor Jordan somehow. Professor Riley, Professor Willie, thank you for participating. If you want to be on the next episode of Jeopardy to take down the reigning champion, just let us know. Send us an email. Again, we appreciate everybody being part of this here again today. This is 3 Bald Math Guys. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.